G'day guys, Sammy here. We're getting back to the basics today and I'm going to show you how to jig some bait. Now for an offshore fisherman or even inshore fisherman, jigging bait is a great way to get your liveys and then target those predatory fish. It's a very simple process, but there is a few little nicks and knacks that you can do to improve your chances. So let's get stuck into it. Firstly, choose a bait jig in a size and style that is applicable to the bait you want to catch. Take the jig out of the packet and tie the swivel straight onto your leader. Next, find the bottom of your jig and tie on a sinker. The size will depend on the depth of water you're fishing. Now unwind the jig from the bottom to the top to avoid tangling. Before you start jigging, don't forget to fill your live well right to the top and locate a school of bait using your fish finder. So once you mark the bait on the sounder, drop your jig down to around about the depth that you think they are. Now you'll know when you hit the slimies or the yakkers or whatever lower bait you're chasing, just like that, because your bait jig slows down and your rod loads up. And you'll feel that vibration through the tip of the rod, and that signifies that it's all game on. Now if you're really feeling up to it, you can actually keep a bit of pressure on that but leave it down there, and the vibrations of that fish on your bait jig will attract other bait to grab onto the remaining hooks if you haven't got a full string already. Look at that, full stringer. Oh no, we just lost one. Now you want to work quickly once you get them into the boat. The faster you can get them into your live well, the better condition they're going to be. Try not to handle them too much. Hooks out quickly into the drink, and you'll have happy, healthy liveys that'll last all day. Just got to make sure you watch your fingers on these small little hooks, because they're very sharp and they go in very easily. Well guys, we've got 10 nice big slimies in the live well and we're ready to go offshore and do some live baitings. Now one thing to remember is don't overcrowd your live well and keep that water recirculating all day, and that'll keep your live bait in great condition and they'll be super happy and lively when you put them in the water, and they'll attract that trophy fish you're chasing. Well guys, we got to get out there. Have a good one and I hope that helps.